These are just so stinking cute.
I took these items from the Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store and made this super cute pet-centric Christmas wall hanging.
And so I think I probably got the cheapest, tiniest seam ripper ever. Like, oh, squished. Whatever, I don't do what it has to do, but Lord knows I need glasses for this. This is gonna take me forever.
About 20 minutes later,
5 minutes, jeepers. Okay. Phew. I've seen a lot of YouTubers using this, and I'm like, really, glue stick? But I think if nothing else, it'll give it a good base adherence. This way. Hem. I think I'm gonna do it this way because you know what would look really cute now that I'm looking at this and realizing that there's holes down. It would be really cute to do like a little, like a ribbon down here, and then maybe some little ornaments on that ribbon. I might have to do that. Whoops, I have to do that a little bit, whatever. I picked these up at the 99-cent store. I thought they were super cute. I knew that I would take them apart, but I liked the little, I mean, I got some other ones with other different things, but I think that these, maybe it's my, ooh, see? I'll be right back. So this is how inspiration works, friends. 2 candy canes on this one, and then I've got this Merry Christmas and this Joy to the World. So my first question is going to be, so these are brighter colors, and I think that those actually go better with this, but because I'm going to put some beads up here. I don't know, they're not too big. So then the question is, do I do just a candy cane, just a couple candy canes down here, 3, and Merry Christmas. I'll lock that a lot. So I'm going to take all of these apart. Color symmetrical, or do I mix them up? Kind of like a mixed up actually, which is very unusual for me. I'm generally kind of a symmetrical kind of person. This tail off. Goodness, I am so happy with this. I am beyond tickled. I am pretty dang proud of myself.
If you thought this was a quality video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, I I'd love for you to join the Koala crew by subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have a koala-tea day.